Yeah, do we have Uddhav Thackeray again?
Yes.
And do we have the speaker with us, Ariz?
Yes, I'm here. Yes, I'm here. You can continue.
Okay, so you can continue. Uddhav Thackeray, please start with your speech again.
Okay. Honorable Chair and fellow delegates, I am delegate representing Uddhav Thackeray, CM of Maharashtra. I would like to address my views against this agenda as in Maharashtra, the total number of COVID patients currently is 1,28,205 and death toll is 5,984. Currently, home quarantined are 5,91,049 patients and institutional quarantined are 25,697 patients. So we can't waste any time and moreover cannot risk the life of the COVID-19 patients by training first and the second year students as they are less clinically exposed. Rather, we can consider and reskill Ayush professionals, dentists, and foreign medical graduates also, whose numbering are in thousands. Secondly, MBBS doctors and PG not in clinical practice, nearly 10,000. We can consider them also. And the other point is, in the recent conference, it was urged to the central government to provide more ventilators and other health equipments for the state, especially in the rural areas, and more fund is required. So we can emphasize more on these things.
Okay, that's it, delegate.
Yes.
Now, are there any yields to question or yields to comment in the house? Oh, I'm really sorry. Uddhav Thackeray, what do you want to choose? Yield to comment or yield to question?
Comment.
Delegates, are there any yield to comment? Yes, Jagat Mohan Reddy.
Thank you, Mr. Vice Speaker. I totally agree with the point of Mr. Uddhav Thackeray. Just one thing I wanted to clarify. जो फॉरेन मेडिकल ग्रेजुएट्स जिसको इंक्लूड किया जा रहा है, क्या वो सिर्फ वो लोग हैं जो करेंटली अभी बाहर पढ़ रहे हैं या फिर वो लोग भी हैं जो लाइक कंप्लीट कर चुके हैं?
Delegates, it is a yield to comment. You have to comment. You cannot ask a question here. If you want to ask a question, you can do it through the chat.
Okay, let me rephrase it. Thank you.
Okay.
So I just wanted to add this thing कि MCI जो फॉरेन मेडिकल ग्रेजुएट्स हैं जो कि MCI एग्जाम्स क्लियर नहीं कर पाए हैं and they are still trying, we should add them also.
About
Delegate,
the foreign medical graduates
you cannot reply here.
Right to reply. Okay.
Uddhav Thackeray, you cannot reply here. This was a yield to comment. If you want to reply to what he said, you can do it through the chat. Are there any more yield to comments? Okay, seeing none, we'll move on to the next
Vice
speaker.
Speaker, I'd like to stop you in between. We have two working papers that have been introduced to the dais, and both of them seem to be fine in terms of their. So I would introduce. I would request both of the chief authors of both of the resolutions to come up and introduce them. Resolution 1.1 is the authors of Resolution 1.1 are Ms. Mamta Banerjee and Mr. Arvind Kejriwal. Would you like to read the clauses of the statement of the resolution to the House, please, before we can put it to voting? Actually, I'll tell you how it will go. First, we'll read out both of the papers. If there are any, it's called Resolution 1.1. The second one is called Resolution 1.2. Now, if there is any changes or any amendments you want to either of them, you can send in a chat to the EB, and we'll exact it, and we'll get back to you after voting if it's a friendly or unfriendly amendment. Considering authors of the first resolution to come forward and share their screen if possible and display their resolution and read it out. Ms. Mamta Banerjee.
If there's some disturbance with the sharing of screen, I can share their
yes, please.
document.
Yeah, please share the resolution. Yes.
Thank you.
Yes, Vice Chair. Share the resolution. Yes.
So,
The resolution that was sent by Mamta Banerjee, right?
yeah,
Yes.
and Arvind Kejriwal.
Yes, Mamta Banerjee,
Mamta Banerjee and Arvind
Kejriwal.
Kejriwal,
I got it.
Yes.
Give me just a minute.
You can, Ms. Mamta Banerjee and Mr. Arvind Kejriwal, you can give us a brief as to what the resolution means.
So do we both speak together or?
It's your choice. It's completely your choice.
Mr. Kejriwal, are you there? Mr. Arvind Kejriwal?
Mr. Arvind Kejriwal, Ms. Mamta Banerjee, you both can read it out.
You can introduce it and read it out.
So,
yes.
I'm looking for Mr. Kejriwal and she doesn't seem to be here.
Did she lose connection or something?
Do I start? I can't find her.
Yeah, you can start. You can start. When she comes, she'll.
So this resolution was put forward as a response to the crisis, and we have come to the following suggestions. The urging of government to introduce tax transparency by introducing law of the spending of taxes. This I previously mentioned as a suggestion, and which would improve the transparency and motivate people to pay taxes, especially use the workforce. And then the next point is relocating the hand expenditure on non-emergent sectors like tourism and infrastructure. So this was also mentioned previously. The way we arrange the time money that the government already has. Next, we have calling the financially privileged to invest in.
I think we lost Miss Mamta Banerjee also.
Arvind Kejriwal is back. If you
Yes.
is
Mr.
Arvind Kejriwal there? Both of them have been constantly losing connection.
Hello.
I think Vice Speaker.
May I continue without?
Vice Speaker,
May I
please read out
continue
the point.
without the video? My network is just
Yeah,
really
yeah.
Really sorry,
disturbed.
I have a weak connection.
Definitely.
Okay.
Definitely. You can continue without it.
Yeah, Mr.
So I
Kejriwal, if you could continue.
Okay, so our resolutions that we are putting forward are urging the government to introduce tax transparency by introducing websites that of the funds at hand by temporarily reducing expenditure on non-emergent sectors like tourism and infrastructure. Then calling the financially privileged to invest in auction of government assets and usage of reserve assets like foreign exchange, inclusion of rural sectors in manufacturing of medical equipments to generate revenue. And our last resolution is the usage of.
Okay, delegate. That was pretty much understandable to the whole committee, I think. Now I'll request the authors of the resolution 1.2 to come in. If the vice chair can please display resolution 1.2 on
I
screen if
need the
possible.
resolution 1.2 to be sent to me in order to display it.
I think it's been sent to you now, delegate. It's been sent to you now, Vice Speaker.
Where is it? Acha, it's been sent. What format is this? Okay.
The chief authors of resolution 1.2 can basically introduce their resolution as to what it is. So, Mr. Naveen Patnaik, if that's possible, please.
Yes, so my resolution serves to address all of the three parts of the crisis that we were informed of, which were the increased demands of wages, the increased demand for assurance in case of loss of life, unavailability or under-availability of PPE kits and other protection equipment. So our resolution hopes to resolve all of these while also assisting in the economic development of our country.
Okay, delegate, that makes sense. You can start reading your introductory clauses. We'll display the actionable clauses on screen, but in the meanwhile, you can start reading your
All right. So,
introductory
having
clauses.
considered the demands of doctors on the front line in battle against COVID-19, we deeply regret our inability to satisfactorily quiesce these demands in the first place. We are taking safety. So let's move on to actionable clauses. We accept that there is a shortage of funds and we recommend the following reforms. First, we would like to recommend the concept of consolidated funds well and have served their purpose. For example, Bharat Garib Kalyan Yojana. For, in addition, no compromise in sectors of education, agriculture, and healthcare should be taxed. Number two, insurance to the doctors will relieve the immediate need of funds and will give us time to arrange the necessary funds to actually help doctors who end up losing their lives. Third, assignment of statute and surveillance by various medical professionals, including directors and vice chancellors, to look into the needs of the current doctors with simultaneous involvement of central government. This will ensure that there is a check on the needs of doctors to keep a balance on what we are providing to them, as there is a difference between need and want, and this statutory body will determine that. Number four, we plan on increasing employment of the rural sector in production, manufacture, and the transport of PPE kits to ensure increased employment, eventual increase in revenue, and independence through a new PPE mobile phone app that uses backend database to save all information on PPE stock and distribution, web server as a gateway between mobile app and database, and two functions for updating the same database. This will be easily usable because every time somebody buys a PPE kit, they can enter their details and it will self-update, and we will have a proper track record of the number of PPE kits, a proper quantification to the shortage that we actually have.
Okay, delegate. We all of us were able to see that see the resolutions, and both the resolutions have been put to the group also. I think if they haven't been, they'll be put in very shortly. If there are any amendments, you can send them now, or first of all, you can raise your hands or say it out if you feel there are any amendments that are needed to any of the two resolutions. Yes, Mr. Patnaik.
Yes, the first resolution that was presented, the very first clause,
Okay,
if we
you just
introduce a
you
website,
you can write out no. If you do not support a clause for its deletion, then you do not support that
just
resolution,
one
right?
clause from the resolution.
Okay, in that case, to the vice chair, saying what change you want, and you just have to. I was just asking for recognition as to is there
All
any
right.
amendments? Amendments
All
have to
right.
go in
Thank
writing. Yeah. Anybody else with any other amendments? I don't think there's any other. So the only amendment has been found towards resolution one. Resolution request the committee to do is we'll go into voting for resolutions one by one. Uh, just as soon as we are able to receive a confirmation on the amendment on resolution one from Mr. Naveen Patnaik, and in the meanwhile, we can first go on to voting for resolution. We will be conducting the voting procedures. Vice Chair,
Yes, am I audible?
yes, you are.
I hope my voice is not reverberating because I've been using two devices. A little bit of a technical issue here. I hope I'm audible properly.
Yes, you are.
Okay, so without further ado, we'd be calling for votes. So here in the passing of a, I mean, in a vote in a bill, I'm sorry, in a resolution to pass, what we need is a simple majority of people who are in the favor of the resolution. Which resolution was that? Aris, if I'm not mistaken, it was resolution 2, right?
Yes, resolution 1.2. Resolution 1.2.
Resolution 1.2. So I would be asking for all of the people who are in the who are in the favor of the resolution 1.2, and you can answer by raising your hands. If you are in the favor of the motion, I would ask, and if you raise your hand, and your vote would be counted as a no. So we're moving on to the voting procedure. All of the delegates who are in the favor of the resolution 1.2, please raise your hands very clearly. And okay, I'll be taking your names now. Yogi Adityanath. You can lower your hands once I've written your name. Naveen Patnaik, Dr. Harshvardhan. Amit Shah is raising their hand through the feature. So Amit Shah. Any more people who are supporting this? Okay, Vijay Rupani. So we have got 5 votes till now. Any more people supporting this resolution? Smriti Irani is also supporting this. Smriti Irani.
Chandrasekhar Rao has sent in
Okay.
his vote for the resolution 1.2.
K. Chandrasekhar Rao has sent in his vote. So K. Chandrasekhar Rao. I think that would be it. So RS, we have 7 votes.
Okay,
So the resolution does
I am
not
supporting Palan.
pass. What? Who is that? Hello? Hello?
Hello.
Yeah, who's this? Delegates, can you please keep your cameras on so that I can...
This is CM Tamil Nadu. He's voted for.
CM Tamil Nadu, he's voted for the motion, okay. So we have 8 votes till now. 8 out of 11. So we do not have majority here. So RS, I think the resolution does not pass.
Okay, makes sense. I have yet to receive. I have received the problem with the resolution 1.1. But it is not something that can be amended. They'll have to change the whole resolution only. If it gets accepted, that's fine. Otherwise, we'll work out a solution in the meantime. So please put resolution 1.1 to vote.
Okay, delegates, the resolution 1.1 that was discussed in the beginning. All of the delegates who are supporting that resolution, please raise your hands clear. Jagat Mohan Reddy. After I call out your names, just keep your hands down. Then Farooq Abdullah. Then Ashok Gehlot. Then Bhagwant Mann. Then Arvind Kejriwal. Then Dr. Shashi Tharoor. Then Asaduddin Owaisi. Okay. Then Mamta Banerjee, 7, 8. And Priyanka Gandhi, 9. Then Rahul Gandhi, 10. Do we have any more people supporting this resolution? Rahul Gandhi, you can keep your hand down.
Yes.
Uddhav Thackeray has raised their hand. Uddhav Thackeray, 11. Okay. So Aris, I think this resolution passes because we have 11 out of 22 votes.
Yes, we have 11 votes out of 22. So resolution 1.1 passes with the quorum of the Lok Sabha committee in simple majority by formal voting, and thus a problematic thing with this resolution, which is the fact that a website, if it lists our taxes, then it exposes our state secrets, which is notable, because if you accumulate all of our taxes onto one database, if that database gets hacked, then it might be problematic. But considering the fact that the whole committee thought about it and they found this to be the best possible way to solve the crisis at hand, we will go with the resolution 1.1, and thus I'll be very happy to inform you that the resolution has passed now, because we have a successful resolution. Anybody wishing to leave may leave right now, but anybody who has any doubts, or anybody who wishes to ask anything from the EB, there'll be an informal feedback sort of a session. If you want to stay back, you can. If you don't, you can leave right now.
Delegates will meet tomorrow at the time designated in the schedule.
So yes, so, all of the delegates that are still here, who has doubts and who has feedbacks? Yes, to the delegates who are still here, anybody with feedback? Mr. Asaduddin Owaisi, Mr. Farooq Abdullah, Mr. Jagan Mohan Reddy, Mr. Rahul Gandhi. Anybody who wants to say anything?
स्पीकर और डिप्टी स्पीकर बहुत मुबारकबाद, बहुत बधाई इतना अच्छा प्रोग्राम ऑर्गेनाइज कराने के लिए।
शुक्रिया जनाब आपका बहुत।